if you've been charged with a crime, I want you to stop and pause and think about posting on social media. Law enforcement very, very frequently is able to obtain social media records. You might be thinking, that's crazy, Mark. That's private. I have a right to my privacy. They can't get in there. You do have a right to privacy. But if you've been charged with a crime, a prosecutor can write out something called a subpoena, and a judge will sign that subpoena, and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, they will give the prosecutor all of your data. It's crazy. I have gotten these giant file dumps, and the prosecutor says, hey, go through this. It's a lot of information. Anything you put on social media has the ability to be used against you. That's a fact. So be careful what you're posting. I don't think any of our clients would post, oh, we're about to do a crime, but that obviously would be a very bad idea. And then if you're going through a case, don't post things that could be looked at in a bad light, even out of context. So if you're facing a criminal charge involving alcohol, you do not want to be on Facebook holding a beer next to some friends. Hey, maybe it was no duels, but they can't tell because your hand is hiding the label. Or maybe you weren't drinking, you're holding for a friend. It doesn't matter because it's going to look bad. Also, if you're going through a case, do not comment on the case on social media. None of our clients have done this, but there are some defendants who the prosecutors will talk about in court, other defense attorneys. The client is doing like a running journal on social media. Judge was mean today. Prosecutor is ugly. Why would you do that? That's horrible. That's only going to make it harder for us to help you. So keep the case out of social media. Don't put anything on social media that could be used against you. Don't put anything on social media that could be used against you, even if taken out of context. Keep that in mind. Remember, always plead the fifth.